This is a great question, Anthony. But if we look at the electric vehicle and how they are designed, they're all fundamentally the same under the hood. You can say it is basically the battery on wheels, unless you are going to be dealing with hybrid vehicles where it also includes the internal combustion engine along with the electric motors and stuff. The fully electric vehicles are all the same. They all use the same fundamentals, and they all use the batteries, electric motors, the regenerative braking system. Everything stays the same. Our programs are not focused on any particular manufacturer or any particular brand of the vehicle. In fact, it can be applied to all. There are going to be some differences if you think about the onboard diagnostics. Every manufacturer, every vendor will have their own onboard diagnostic codes, and that is something that they will have to learn on top of it. But the concepts, the fundamentals stays the same